I can see, I just need privacy. Plus a whole lot of tree, fuck all this modesty. I just need space to do me, get in the world what they're trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me, a Ferrari, I'm buying 3. A closet, a sailor, I'll get what I want when I want, cause this hunger is driving me, yeah. I just need to be alone, I just need to be at home, understand what